So being in business from such a long time has helped me to have in-depth knowledge about the automotive industry, and we have seen a big change in the last 20 years itself since I joined my business. My name is Ali Asgar Saeed. I am currently the managing partner at Noorhan. The vision of Noorhan is to be the leading automotive name in the industry, having excellence in automotive supplies and excellence in automotive servicing also. So our main office is in Agpuz Industrial Area number 2, in which we have our central warehouse, we have our offices, and we have a retail outlet also. And we have our other branches in the different areas of Dubai. We have a lot of different sales channels, and we get customer inquiries from many parts of the world. We also have retail customers who come to our counters for buying their spare parts, and we also have a very strong distribution channel in which we distribute all the automotive products to all over the UAE as well as outside of UAE. We have the dealerships of around 25 plus brands. Other than that, we are doing many other products like aftermarket parts. For those parts, we have sources all around the world. So the reason we wanted to change our software was that because our business was growing. The number of branches were increasing, our team was increasing, our operations was getting bigger and bigger. So the previous software which we had certain limitations. We are getting a lot of errors while using the software. We spent a lot of time just rectifying those errors. The user interface was very traditional, like the old softwares which was there. The reporting was not so great, and after a lot of due diligence, we thought Zoho Inventory is the right application for our business. Change was not much challenging as expected. Because of the easy user interface, our team and the management was very easy and very comfortable in the new implementation. And I guess approximately within a week's time, my whole team was completely operational on Zoho Inventory. So the automotive industry is very technical. I would just say that in every car there are around 30,000 spare parts which make up a car. So looking at the number of vehicles on the UAE roads, the different brands, the different models, the different years, there are so many different cars in the market. So keeping a database of so many parts and then invoicing it is quite challenging. But with Zoho it becomes very easy because of the search functionality which is available. So any part number or any initial key numbers which you just put into the system prompts you with the right part numbers, and the team is easily able to identify which are the part numbers which we have to supply to the customers. And from the history of the part, we are able to understand who are the suppliers and what should be the prices given to the customers. After the sales team comes into picture our operations team, in which we have our warehouse team, we have our delivery team, and we have a purchase team. So once the invoice is raised, if the items are available in stock, inventory team immediately picks up the item from the exact location which is mentioned in the system. And if the items are not available, then we have to source it from our suppliers. So now Zoho Inventory helps us to look into the exact inventory which is available in hand. If it's not available, which suppliers to contact and at what price has to be purchased from them. And once the items are procured, the stores team immediately dispatches the item to the customer in a timely manner. The whole process, using the digital functionality of Zoho which is available, it makes the system very, very fast and very efficient for us. So the turnaround time for servicing the customer has really much reduced because of the Zoho application which we are using. It has been a very, very close kind of a relationship. It's not just like a vendor and a customer, it's just like just two partners working together.